Abbreviations. English is full of these code-like talks that you should understand. Today we'll talk about 20 commonly used abbreviations that you can add to your English conversations. Hi guys, I'm Salili. Welcome back to another weekly episode of Fun Ways to Learn English. If you like my videos and want to see more in the future, you can help out by hitting those like and subscription buttons on your screen. English is full of abbreviations. Countries, organizations, places, objects, and even people are often referred to by abbreviated names. US for United States. NBA for the National Basketball Association, LAX for Los Angeles International Airport, JFK for U.S. President John F. Kennedy, also the New York City Airport. We also abbreviate phrases. Today I'll show you 20 of them that you would hear Americans say. These are what people say and write, different from those that are primarily for writing in text messages and on social media. Okay, first one. Okay. Okay. I mean, okay. Did you know that okay is an abbreviation? There are so many ways to spell it that people may have forgotten that is a short version for something. The truth is, we don't know for sure what okay is short for. Many attribute it to the abbreviation fad that took place in the 1800s in Boston, where OK emerged to represent all correct. But shouldn't all correct be AC, not OK? A lot of people believe that it was intended to make fun of bad spelling of all correct as all correct. But others, including some major dictionary editors, think that okay came from an old Native American word that spells O-K-E-H, meaning it is so. And there are arguments that it's originated from the Scots or the Greeks. There is no verdict on this mystery, so let's just continue to enjoy the convenience of saying this abbreviation, okay. CCTV. Wait, this is China Central Television, right? Well, not in America. CCTV in America stands for Closed Circuit Television, another name for video surveillance. AWOL. Well, this one we don't say AWOL, we say AWOL. AWOL is a military term. It stands for absent without leave. Leave here means permitted leave. Usually we put the words go, went, or gone in front of it. He's gone AWOL again from school. TBA and TBD. TBA is to be announced. TBD is to be determined, to be decided, or to be declared. They both mean that something is going to be decided or made public at an unspecified time in the future. So it's basically saying, wait for it. AKA. AKA means also known as. YouTuber Felix Schellberg, aka PewDiePie, has accumulated 106 million subscribers.
1个亿的粉丝，那是一种什么感觉啊
？Let's get moving.
BYOB. You can sometimes see BYOB at restaurants. It means bring your own booze. Booze is any drink that contains alcohol. In America, restaurants need to obtain liquor licenses before they can sell booze to customers. For some that don't have a liquor license, sometimes they allow their patrons to bring their own alcohol. But if the restaurant does serve alcohol, usually people do not bring their own, which is very different from the customs in China. AD and BC. These two phrases we all use in our calendar, but do you know that these are Christian terms? In the Gregorian calendar that most of the world lives by, the years before year one, we call them BC, which stands for before Christ. For years post year one, we call them AD, which stands for the Latin term Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. ETA and ETD. ETA stands for estimated time of arrival. ETD stands for estimated time of departure. Our ETA is around 1 hour. It's basically saying we'll probably get there in an hour. AC. AC stands for air conditioning or air conditioner. Could you turn on the AC, please? When you write it down, you can either keep the slash or leave it out. But be aware, if you leave out the slash, AC also means alternating current. PS. PS is used a lot in writing of letters and emails. PS stands for postscript. It shows up after the main body of the letter and the closing. So it would be best wishes, Salidi. P.S. I really love the flowers you sent me. Thank you. RSVP. RSVP means please respond. It came from French. Répondez, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Répondez. Répondez, s'il vous plaît. Well, don't learn your French from me. You will always see it on a formal invitation. When you see that, you're expected to respond whether you're coming or not. AM and PM. We call 10 o'clock in the morning 10 a.m. and noon we call it 12 p.m. What language is this? Latin. They're short for Latin phrases ante meridiem, which means before midday, and post meridiem, which means after midday. ASAP. ASAP stands for as soon as possible. You can write this in letters and emails. There are 3 common ways to say this. I need that report as soon as possible. I need that report ASAP. I need that report ASAP.
BFF.
BFF, best friend forever. She's my BFF. FYI. FYI is for your information. We say it to get people's attention. It's practically saying, this is information you should know.
VIP.
VIP is very important person. You can add an S to it and make it plural. These seats are reserved for the VIPs. DIY. DIY, do it yourself. My brother is not a DIY enthusiast. DM. DM means direct message. It's a phrase often associated with social media. If you like this video and have a question for me, you can send me a DM or you can DM me. All right, did you learn something new today? Leave me a comment and let me know.